Einstein, 근데 미리나기 장고 장제된 저 다비 미리디다 아니 어디시다 인제라디 뒤에다 나좀 무슨 차가이 안지 지게도마 제제디 뭐네 하장기 비치부르샤 Hi, how are you? Good, good. Is it okay to talk to you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, oh, thank you. You guys are from here, Tel Aviv? Or?
Yeah, not.
Sorry, I think this. Oh, I see. Okay. So, but Jewish by birth, you guys all Jewish. I see. So, do you guys observe Shabbat today, or
No, we don't.
you
we
don't
save
observe?
Shabbat.
You don't. I see. Which is okay.
Yep. Here in Tel Aviv, it's okay.
In Tel Aviv, where it's not okay.
In some part in Jerusalem, you cannot drive in the.
I see.
in the car. In Bnei Brak.
Yeah,
In
obviously,
Bnei
I see.
Yeah,
Hi. There's another beautiful girl. Thank you for coming to say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Yeah, we just run. We're from Canada, but we're Tibetan. Do you know?
Ah, nice.
Yeah. So,
We watched the movie.
yeah, you did. Which movie did you watch?
7 years in
7
Tibet.
years in Tibet.
Wow.
Thank you. There's a better one called Kundun. Kundun.
Okay.
Kundun. If you're interested, watch that one. It's even better one. Yeah, by Martin Scorsese. It's a really good one. So, what do you know about Tibet other than the 7 years in Tibet?
I was in a village, in a Tibetan village, and I think in where was it? I don't remember. Maybe in India or Nepal.
India, Nepal. Yeah, could be. You look too young to be in that part of the world. Well
Israelis
traveled.
are traveling around the world.
You travel around the.
Travel around the world.
After army, you have to go into army yourself.
Yes.
I thought it's only for boys.
No.
For women also.
For women also.
Mandatory for everyone.
Mandatory for. Wow. Really? Oh wow! It's a mandatory. I see. So you guys all know how to carry the
No
gun.
different than the TV, you know.
I see. I see. Right.
She was a combat soldier.
Oh really? Wow! Amazing. Really
Not for
cool.
it, for maybe.
I see. So how many years do you have to be in the army?
It depends on the job that you're doing, but it's 2 years.
2 years
And if
mandatory.
you're
Unless
in
you're
a
a combat soldier, and then you do
2 years and 8 months.
2 years, 8 months. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. So then, I mean, you guys using the phone and everything, you don't observe Shabbat today.
No.
I
we're
see.
secular.
I see.
How long are you
Secular.
guys planning to be here?
We have 2 more days.
2 more days?
Yeah,
And then?
we're going to Jerusalem tomorrow, and then
Where else?
then go back. Yeah, to Canada. We live in Canada currently. Yeah. Wow, amazing. Yeah.
People in Israel who do keep Shabbat.
I
and
see.
us that we're secular, and if the law says we need to go to the army, we go to the army. But usually, how do you say, the really secular
very
people,
I see,
a
of
lot
course.
of them don't go to the army.
I see.
And
So-
especially now with the war,
Right.
we lose a lot of our friends and
Oh,
people
I see.
that went to the army and never came back.
I
but
see.
from their part of the community, the very traditional people,
Right.
they don't go to the army. So
So
I
you have
see.
friends who went to the army, went for combat, eh?
Yeah.
You
I
know
see.
people,
Never.
right? Yeah.
So how do you differentiate the secular or non-secular? So those ones who became a monk or not?
you know
Like-
the ones that wear the black hats, and
Yes.
black suits.
Yes.
So I don't think they're even close to us as a community. It's like
Oh, is
different
that right?
lives.
So those are the Orthodox, you call it.
Orthodox.
Orthodox. I see. Jewish.
We live very different lives.
Is that
They
right?
won't be going here to restaurants on Shabbat.
Right.
But we do because
Oh,
we don't
I see.
keep Shabbat.
I
But
see.
is there in the government? Is there a lot of pressure to be more religious?
No.
To
There is
or
no
this-
pressure.
They just
but
have a lot of them in the government right now.
right.
So
Oh, I see.
But
Those
there's
Orthodox, lots of
nothing
people
like
in
you
the
have
government.
To pray 3
I see.
times a day or
No, we don't have to
not
do it.
enough.
No,
So there's
I see.
You don't okay.
But some places have to pay taxes because they open on Shabbat, and
Okay.
the law says you can't open on
I
Shabbat.
see.
So
I
you see
see.
they open,
Right.
but some
I
places
see.
get
Ticket.
Fine
I
for
see.
it.
For it.
That's what
I
I
see.
meant.
But
It's-
praying is not
yeah.
something that
Right.
they would make us do.
I
It's not
see.
that bad.
I see. Not that bad.
It also depends. There is like a spectrum of how religious you are. You can be
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Orthodox
I
and you
see.
can be like us, and
I
there's
see.
people like in between that's just saving the Shabbat but dressed like us. And
I
Right,
see.
It's a nice
Right.
holiday.
Yeah.
No,
It's just-
Shabbat is
Shabbat is-
we
Day
don't call
off.
it a holiday.
I see.
It's just a day off.
Day
that
off.
Day off.
People,
Right.
yeah.
I see.
But I mean,
I see.
instead of Sunday off in the workplace
Yes.
or school, it's Friday and
It's
Saturday.
Saturday.
off.
Friday we work half a day.
yeah.
I
And
see.
then Saturday.
Saturday.
It's a day
off.
Day off.
I see.
No
I see.
school, no
It's in the
school.
government also. I see.
Yes.
Non-circular.
So Sunday, people have to go in office to school.
Mm.
It's a normal
Okay.
day.
Judaism-
I see. Sunday off. Yeah.
Judaism
I
is
see.
the first like religious
Religious.
that had a day off, and since then
Oh, I see. Then the other religion
Yeah.
adopted, such as Sunday
But,
or Friday or whatever.
Are they holidays for other religious holidays like Christmas Day or?
So we have
Okay.
Hanukkah.
The Christians they off on
Hanukkah.
Sunday, right?
so like
Day off.
religious
Yes.
people, like Christian
Yeah.
people, they have a days off.
Sunday
on,
off, yeah.
On the Christmas
Yeah.
Day type.
I see.
Like in the university, we had like a week off this week
I see.
because it was Hanukkah and Christmas together. So for the people who celebrate Christmas, they got a day off. And we got like a couple of days off for Hanukkah.
I see.
And also Ramadan for Muslims.
Ramadan.
Yes.
Muslim.
Also, we have days off.
Days off.
Right.
Oh.
Here comes
Friends
your
of us.
friend.
Guys,
Oh.
the boyfriend of Ella.
Oh, really? Wow. You're so lucky. See, look at well-traveled, beautiful, full of brain. I'm sure he's equivalent of just as good. Great. Oh, how wonderful. So, is this a special street for the youngsters, or why is it so vibrant? It's so lively.
Tel Aviv.
It's all.
Because it's open on Shabbat. So people
I
come to
see.
where it's
Oh,
open.
I see.
Not all the restaurants would be open.
I
Depends on
see.
the owner.
Okay, I thought maybe this was just for youngsters. You know, we see so much graffitis and very artistic, but it's
No,
not
I think
necessarily.
that in every part in Tel Aviv you can see it. Like you have
I
a
see.
special street that you can see a lot of young people.
I see. But how about the graffitis? Is that allowed, or it's just done secretly and they just left it?
It's not allowed.
It's
You're
not allowed.
supposed to do graffiti,
Right,
but I think in Tel
right.
Aviv it becomes part of the art. So people just
I
go
see.
with it.
Just go with it.
But I
Yeah,
bet
it's
if a
beautiful.
police officer saw somebody do the graffiti, I bet he would.
Oh,
stop it.
yeah, I see.
Oh.
Right,
So Tel
right.
Aviv politically is mostly left.
Left hand.
That's what
center.
people would say.
So who won the election in the Tel
Current.
Aviv? It's mostly
The
the
right.
not
The right one, the
not the
conservative.
current
Yeah.
party. Is it mostly?
It's different because Tel Aviv, you have Ron Huldai. He's of Tel Aviv, but the parties that you're talking
Yeah,
about,
yeah, parties.
it's not per city. It's mostly
It's-
because of the country.
The country.
Country, ah,
I see.
right, right.
So people
Great.
like to say that Tel Aviv is mostly lefty.
Yes,
Right.
but it can be different.
Most young people come to live in Tel Aviv and we're from all over the country because it's fun to live in
I
Tel
see.
Aviv. I don't call myself a lefty.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't. I see.
But
Oh,
I live
okay.
nearby here.
I
when I
see.
say it's more center, kind of not there's a religious party, then there's non-religious, right?
Yes. Yes, yes. But you have all over here. You can still have, you can still see people that are religious in Tel
Yes,
Aviv.
yes.
Right, right.
But they don't say anything to the secular people like us walking around.
I
In Jerusalem, some parts of Jerusalem, you won't see that.
Oh, see.
Everything's closed, no
Right.
cars, nothing.
Right.
Oh, is that right?
Because
Oh,
even
we
the
missed it
religious
today.
ones, they don't want to go in the army, right? They were fighting to.
But
it's like,
still, it depends. There are religious people that do go by the law and
Right,
and
Oh,
be part of the army.
Those people called rabbi, right?
No, no, no.
Rabbi.
Rabbi
So-
is a priest.
It's like a priest.
I see. Okay.
No.
They actually don't have to go to the army, I think.
I see.
I
Oh,
think
okay.
they have, like,
I see. So they have to go to a university to learn the religions in
We
depth.
wish that they would go to the university and pay taxes and pay university, but they go by free and learn in yeshiva.
Oh,
And,
I see.
Yeah, it's a difficult
conflict
situation.
in-
Is that right?
As
It's a-
young secular,
Right,
that
secular.
we are part of
Right,
the community and
right.
we do pay taxes.
Right.
We do go to the army.
Right.
So
We
kind
pay
of
to the
have-
university.
You
we kind
pay
of
for
have a
university.
problem with
I
people
see.
who don't take part.
I see.
Because the taxes I pay help them live in this country.
I see.
But they don't pay taxes back. They get
Right.
more than I get.
Oh, I see. Also, it's kind of social justice kind of issue.
Exactly.
Right, right. So, tell me about the what's it called, birthright? What's about that one?
צריך לבלד
So-
יהודי כדי לחיות בקהילה. you can't come from a different country and want to live in Israel. You won't get a citizenship.
You will get a citizenship.
If you're Jewish or
I
you were
see.
born to a Jewish mother,
Only Jewish mother. It doesn't
if your
matter.
mother is Jewish, you're Jewish. If
I
your father
see.
is Jewish,
Not necessarily.
By the religious,
Oh,
you're not
Jewish. I see.
And
It's
also
only by
important
mother blood.
to say that Israel is the only Jewish country in the world. So
Right,
it's
right,
important
right.
to keep it as I'm saying it not as a religious person. Just I also believe at the same time I believe that it's important that the Jewish will have a country.
Yes, yes. Very
I
important.
also think that Muslims
As an ancient civilization, you need to have a
not because
country.
of that, because of what we've been through. The
Holocaust and all. Yeah,
And
it's
you
amazing.
can also now see like Israel is very small, and still all around the world people think that Israel is all around
colonizer.
and we also we have Arab countries around us.
Right.
Yeah.
It's the only country you can walk with the Star of David and not feel ashamed that you're walking as a Jewish person.
Yeah.
But if I go now to Australia and I walk with the Star of David, I think I
Yes.
would be terrified.
Yes.
Oh, really? Oh,
I mean, we do have
wait, I
terrorists
see.
here.
I see.
No
Oh, yeah.
doubt.
That's exactly the
We're not
question.
ashamed of being Jewish either.
Yes, exactly. The question that I like to ask you is, how do you feel as a Jewish person?
In Israel or overseas?
Overseas, or about your identity, like or when you're by yourself, or when you among other culture or around the world, or just
I think it's just part of us, like for us as non-religious, like it's part of us, it's part of the culture.
so
Tradition, the holiday.
yes, what I'm getting at is without the religious part of the identity, just as a secular person, I don't know how to form this
think
question.
as
Can you?
Jews,
Yes, as
When we
Jews.
don't practice praying.
Right.
I feel that what connects me to Judaism.
Yeah, exactly. You put it
The
in a
tradition.
nice the
We
tradition.
have Friday night dinners together. And
I
the family
see.
comes together, and we have holidays.
You're
My
right.
grandfather was a Holocaust survivor.
Right.
If he survived that and stay Jewish, I can stay Jewish, and also not be religious
Right on.
and have to pray.
You nailed it. You nailed
Also,
my.
and you can also like if you're looking at like I don't know Jewish families that living in America or whatever, they also want to have their community around them, like Jewish or Israeli
Yes,
community.
yes.
It's not because they have to have Israelis around them. It's just part of like it's home. For
Yes,
us.
the identity. It's a strong identity you have kept.
We
So
understand each other.
you understand each other, right? Are you helping each other? You have a very
Yeah,
tight knit.
I think we do.
tight
Like,
knitted.
It's like we have Bet Chabad. You know what is Bet Chabad? It's a place like in every place around the world, like for in New York City or in
South America.
or in Delhi, in India, or
Right,
in
right.
Kathmandu in Nepal, or
Right,
whatever.
right.
You have Chabad House, which is like a kind of a religious place for Jewish people to come and feel home and feel safe.
Connected. I
Yeah.
see. I see. How
Do you
wonderful
feel
is that is.
Is language important to
Also,
preserve
yeah, it's
identity?
take a big part.
I think so.
Yes.
I think
Yeah.
there is a
That's
big
something I
part.
want to
Never thought
ask
of
you.
it. Yeah.
Yes.
But
For hundreds of years, maybe 1,000, Jewish diaspora spread around the world, but it kept the flame up through tradition, customs, right?
I feel like
So
it's
that's- yeah.
also fun that when we go, like we have the trip after the army, and when we're in South America, when you hear Hebrew, you feel safe. You feel among your people. So
I
maybe,
see.
Maybe yeah, it is Hebrew.
That has a
It is a
key
language.
factor to keep the identity alive.
Yeah, and actually,
Right.
not many people know Hebrew. So if you think about
That's
it, it
true,
is.
right? Maybe. I mean,
Right,
that's true.
right.
also people think that Israel is a large country, like billions of Jewish people. It's just like 9 million Jewish in Israel.
9 million. Yeah. And how many around the world?
I believe like maybe 16 around the world.
Around the
totally.
world. Right. But you have
But I
such
don't
a strong presence in the world, whether it's
Good
in
and for
finance,
bad.
whether it's in art, whether it's in politics, and
Yeah.
you just been the pinnacle of the
Everywhere.
humankind.
Top of the news.
And
Well,
also,
science
so people
and-
like looking about all the situation in Gaza and think that maybe like we just want to live here. It's if you look at the map and you see Gaza, it's a very small place, and if we had the ability to give, like, they will live there in peace between us, because this is what happened there. Like a few years ago, this place is supposed to be like we're supposed to live in peace between us,
Right.
but because of Hamas and everything, it didn't
Tragedy,
make it.
yes.
And now
We're pretty simple people. And,
Yeah.
And I just think people started talking about us since the Gaza war, and I don't even understand why the word anti-Semitism is rising, because what do you want from us? We're just simple people
Yes.
living here in this country. Just let us be. 'Cause I don't get the obsession. Don't you have other things to do in your life?
Yes.
You talk about Israel.
It's
this is the most important thing, I think, for us. Like if you posting it on social media or something, just to know that we are good people in Israel. And
yeah, you never in your history invaded any
No.
country or any nation or any, right?
No, and also people
there's
think
no
like we-
Jewish empire or such thing, right? There's
No, and we didn't wanna
Ottoman
hurt
Empire,
the-
there's the Roman Empire, there's other empires, but you never is a Jewish empire.
We're so tiny.
But
we're
you
nothing
ha-
compared to other religions, and just people just
Right.
won't leave us alone.
But you have a right
Too
to exist
smart.
here. You know, anybody who's trying to deny that's not
Yeah.
right. You know?
Brilliant.
And it's not that other people who are not Jewish don't
Right.
have the right to live here, because
Yes.
I study in the university with Arab fellow
Yes.
mates. Like
Yeah, they
it's
have
no
equal
problem
rights.
for us. Yes. Yeah, even they actually have more rights, because
Yeah.
we're the most here as
Right.
Jewish, and they're the minority.
Yes.
So by
Oh,
law
I see.
they get more rights.
They-
By law,
Oh,
we're
is
democratic
that right?
state.
Even in Israel.
Yes, of course, not
I
because they're
see.
Arab, just because they're a minority.
Wow.
So it just
That's,
people don't really come and
Right.
learn what really happens in Israel. They just
yeah,
say,
it's very
They're
easy
colonizers.
to take a look at the Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and just like people don't really know. And I really appreciate you guys for coming here and actually seeing in your eyes what is it to
Yes.
be an Israeli.
Yes, yes.
And
I don't know what
I
your
wish-
experience here right now, but
Safe. I felt so
we're
safe,
making
you know,
feel
because
like
we were
we're
telling people that.
colonizers or we're
No.
scary or we're gonna hurt you, because it's not
No,
what really goes
no.
on
Our
here.
audience
Very
is
safe.
more Tibetan diaspora.
But it's
world,
good
but
to
we
let
also again is to
educate.
just like our leader Dalai Lama is asking Jewish scholars, saying, how do you keep the identity for hundreds of years? And like you said, it's through keeping the tradition, customs.
It's very inspiring. Thank you for
Yeah,
taking the
that's great,
time.
man. You guys-
Thank you. Really appreciate it. Brilliant minds, young people. You know, that's what I'm saying. You know, it's such a lively city. You know, where you see all young people and lots of children. You know, like each family probably 3, 4, 5, 6. I've seen as many as
So
8.
that's actually called
What is
a
that?
mitzvah. You're
Yeah,
supposed
tell
to
me.
bring
Mitzvah.
as much children.
Is there incentive for having more kids?
It depends on the how
It's a-
religion you are, but yeah, but the
Is that
Orthodox
right?
people, you're supposed to bring as many kids as
Kids,
you
right.
can.
I see. So is there incentive by government? Say, for example, if you have 2, 3, 4 children, you take a longer maternity.
Actually, for Orthodox, if you have above like 6 children, then you get like help from the government.
Oh, is that right?
Because it's specifically for Orthodox people,
I
because
see.
they're part of the government.
Oh,
But
I
specifically
see.
6. So if
Such
you're
a,
a secular family, you have 3 kids, then no.
Oh,
But if you
I
have
see.
6 and up, then yeah.
I see. Wow, that's
So we have a bit of a beef
So
with them.
you don't
Big
have
contribution
Orthodox
to
friends,
the
or
society.
They don't
I
associate
have
with
a
you
side
guys?
of my
Do you?
family that they are Orthodox. I do
I
have
see.
a side of my family, and I see them sometimes,
Right.
but
I see.
yeah.
I saw
Interesting.
them in our plane. Quite a few, from.
Not all of them.
Yeah, but it
seems
maybe-
like I'm talking
right.
about it. Not all of
You're
them
right.
are like that.
I see.
But the majority of their people
I see.
don't take part of the things that we do to be part of a community in
I
this
see.
country. Not all of them.
I
there
see.
are people who are good.
I see. Oh, okay. But thank you so much.
I wish you
Brilliant. I
enjoy
see.
Jerusalem.
I see nothing but hope.
Enjoy Jerusalem.
Geblote nganzo changan ngune chene changan tapti jiri sha shu din de cha ge mi do ane di na la bet shön ge de zom je je ane khonzu bet di so ju chi ge ane ge je bet liu chu je je ane nga de mi se shu de ya ka de do是na de de sha ta de Israel sa de ngone yi di kar so de 미도 무슨네 베티 다 타르마 사자 카바치네 쉔게데 로친주 아니 가서래 매제나게 베티 님도 무슨네 끼델레데 딘데게 나오동안 아니 믹스기 바 사자 카바치미네 지 가서래 바바 아마지로 부 숨시 나투 하 그런 지 장가 되도 부 게도 아니 사자니 자 로친주 원딘데 세제다 콘조 하람다 점블링 나기 농조 계급 쉬는 지금 말죠 원딘데 나기 다 birth rate 소르바디 부 게야기 세시드 무슨에 토슈다디 아니 두스냐토 다 베차샤나 재팬다 다 캐나다 된조 이부게야기 디 장보디 쉬지 많이 용주고 봐 혼주 많이 용주 뭐 침배 마체 가지 숨주自己 아니 로레레야 또 스파트고 다디 직대네 가서래 다 시숑기 다도 다 투부디데기 믹스기 디 그래 니데네 제비나 지금 디 가서 뮤직 용기 아니 지 가서래 소소기 그 민보 파야다 디체 근데 믹스 슈드브치라 Jewish ki di ta zambulin la nganzo pheba jama top nang shin khonjo bet thor de yor ba nya da khoran zo da ta tan Israel se di yor bi sun za khonjo chilo li yebe shenge lo ta nge no men de job de men zo din de ji ge shenge yin be shuo me zi ji le yin ji min ji ani di ji zo ran ge ani mong wi du ji je ani bu gu den zo Jerusalem da Israel de ten ma re de dang guo de sa第前在安尼的控制的 birthright 呢，就是个有别的，看在就是因别说，安尼没自己了的 Israel 的听我几个用过有吧？但俺做的么说呢，偏不因别说，安尼还是听我几没自己那里引进没自己来过有吧？我顶那个在空气收了，在点做俺来前头在还讲个的伊让不顶那个。的这些生活，安尼点呢，这里拿到去自己，俺觉得点就打咖啡去中国生活有。现在这个刚个了，没得做，就来几天的。花树啊，是花树啊。就咱啥子顶的几个，米粒顶的几个团呀的，我那到底吃不得多。我那到养全部收入，到底这个那个有切须，安尼切的那个江须，安尼 Hollywood 那个米开人开在收入，但就这个里呢，人他肯几套了，安尼等着。Einstein 但我那米日那个讲人讲在点子，但的米日的哒，安尼哦，这是的，应接了的，别的俺怎么说吃干样这个东啊，现在的我呢讲的，比起不了啥。